Sports betting has been a major part of the game for decades, but there's a new player shaking up the scene: prediction markets. Unlike traditional sportsbooks, these platforms work more like stock exchanges, where bettors buy and sell shares based on the likelihood of an outcome. Popular platforms like Polymarket and Kalshi let you trade on various events, including sports. Unlike regular sportsbooks, these platforms operate in a decentralized or semi-regulated space, which means they might be more widely available in certain states where traditional betting is restricted. Instead of betting against a bookmaker, prediction markets allow users to trade shares in different outcomes. Think of it like Wall Street, but for sports. Prices go up or down depending on how people are betting. If more people think the Lakers will win a game, shares for that outcome increase in price. If an upset is brewing, the market reacts in real time. These platforms are unregulated in the same way as traditional sportsbooks, meaning they operate in a legal gray area, but are growing fast due to their accessibility across the US. Betting with prediction markets is different from traditional sportsbooks. Instead of placing a fixed bet against a bookmaker, you buy and sell shares in different outcomes, kind of like trading stocks. The rise of these platforms is making waves, offering a fresh take on sports gambling that could seriously shift how we engage with basketball, the NFL, and boxing. So how does it work? Each sports event will have different markets representing possible outcomes. For example, in an NBA game, you might see, will the Lakers win against the Celtics, or will Steph Curry score over 30 points? Instead of odds, these outcomes are priced between $0 and $1, or sometimes between 0% and 100%. A $1 share means the outcome is almost certain. A $0 share means it's basically impossible. A 50-cent share means a 50-50 chance, like even odds at a sports book. If you're into sports betting and stock trading, prediction markets give you the best of both worlds. Instead of betting against the house, you're betting against other traders, making it a fairer system with more strategy involved. Basketball is one of the biggest betting sports, and March Madness alone pulls in billions in bets. Prediction markets could change how people engage with the tournament, shifting the focus from filling out brackets to trading on each team's odds in real time. Instead of placing a bet before tip-off and waiting, users could trade shares based on in-game momentum shifts. Imagine a market for LeBron's triple-double chances or Wembanyama's blocks, prices fluctuating every possession. With March Madness already dominating traditional sportsbooks, prediction markets could give casual fans a new way to invest in upsets and Cinderella stories. The NFL already dominates the sports gambling industry, but prediction markets could make the experience even bigger, especially for fantasy football fans and daily bettors. Right now, sportsbooks offer live betting, but prediction markets could make it even more dynamic. If Mahomes is cooking in the second half, shares in a Chiefs comeback would skyrocket. Instead of just prop bets, fans could invest in real-time predictions on things like which player will score next, coaches' challenges, or whether a game heads to OT. Unlike sportsbooks, where odds are set by the house, prediction markets are community-driven, meaning the best bettors could influence pricing, leading to sharper lines. Boxing and MMA betting have always been controversial, with lopsided odds and questionable judging calls. Prediction markets could bring more transparency and better odds for fight fans. Unlike sportsbooks that sometimes skew odds based on public betting, prediction markets let bettors decide the real odds. If a fighter looks gassed after round 3, traders could sell shares before a potential KO. Unlike sportsbooks, which limit sharp bettors, prediction markets reward those who understand the game. Traditional sportsbooks aren't going anywhere, but prediction markets are shaking up the game. Their ability to offer real-time, fan-driven betting could make them the go-to choice for savvy sports fans looking for something more dynamic. However, there's still regulation uncertainty, and states might eventually step in to limit their reach. But for now, this is the future of sports betting, and whether you're an NBA junkie, NFL diehard, or boxing fan, it's time to pay attention. This isn't just betting, it's sports trading, and the game will never be the same. Comment below. How do you think prediction markets compare to traditional sportsbooks in terms of accuracy and value for bettors?